17-year-old is making money with AI right now, while you are still trying to understand it. Let that sink in. You've watched so many videos, saved so many ideas, planned everything in your head. But tell me honestly, how much have you actually earned from it? Let me tell you something most people never realize. It's not about AI. Two people discover AI on the same day. Same tools, same internet, same opportunity. Person one consumes everything, watches everything, saves everything. They say, I'm preparing, I'll start soon. But soon turns into weeks, then months, and nothing changes because learning feels safe, but starting feels uncomfortable. Person two is different. They don't wait. They don't overthink. They don't try to be perfect. They just start. Their first attempt is bad. Their second is still bad. Their third improves. Then something happens. They get feedback, they adjust, they improve faster, and they grow. And eventually, they earn. Here's the truth. AI does not make you rich. It reveals who you really are. If you avoid action, AI will multiply your excuses. If you chase comfort, AI will waste your time. But if you take action, AI will multiply your results. Right now, you don't have a money problem. You have a delay problem. You are waiting for the perfect time, the perfect idea, the perfect moment. But that moment does not exist. Meanwhile, someone with less knowledge than you, less experience than you, less resources than you, has already started, and they are building a life you are still thinking about. So ask yourself, 6 months from now, who do you want to become? The person who kept watching, or the person who finally started? Because right now, both versions of you are being created